Okay guys, just open your dial application or phone application, this one. Okay, then press on three buttons top right corner, then select settings. Then you can see Wi-Fi calling option is here. Just tap on that button, then you have successfully turned on this feature. And also you can go inside that feature for selecting preferred. That means you can easily set that while you are, if you turn on this feature, you can normally automatically it's set it to only for Wi-Fi calling on Wi-Fi network, not used for mobile network, but Samsung providing feature on that. If you tap that calling feature once again, then you can see there is a preference on mobile network or Wi-Fi network. Normally, phones are only provided if you turn on the Wi-Fi, and if you turn on the Wi-Fi calling, the calls are normally go through the Wi-Fi. But in Samsung, you can easily prefer that you need Wi-Fi calling or normal network calling. Okay, it is very useful. Okay guys, if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post your replays as video so you can easily watch that. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.